332 turbo rebuild, day 7, an uplifting experience. Wanted to show you this, I'll call it engine hoist I have. I believe it's a wheelchair lift. It's rated for around 200 pounds. It comes apart, the upright, the mast comes off with just one thumb screw. It's hydraulic. This lever here, push it in for down, pump it up for up. It's actually got adjustable width. You use this thing here, and you can spread the legs out, which is nice for getting places. Gives a little more room to move around. So yeah, pretty handy piece. You can pick them up on Marketplace for cheap. Some people list them as engine hoists. I use them around the shop for lifting lawnmower parts and engines. I mean, anymore you lift 100 pounds and you feel it in your back for a week. So like to use the tools. Work smarter, not harder. Got the axles off of the 420 rear end. So that's those right there. There's a handful of bolts that hold them onto the aluminum housing. I believe the housings, the axle housings themselves are cast iron with steel shafts, obviously. So you take those bolts off, they pop right out. There's a seal in there. And then on this side, there's a big steel washer that centers everything. Big splines, big axles, heavy duty stuff. So got those apart. Next, we'll be taking the hydraulic pump off. That's just the 4 bolts there and the hose on the bottom. Obviously have to unhook it, set it on the ground. Then I can do the same over here on the original 300 series. Well, original one that was in the 332. So pull all that stuff apart, transfer it over. Like I said before, I'm gonna put new seals on these 2 shafts, diff lock and 2-speed, and then axle seals there. And then O-rings and stuff for the pump. Obviously, now's the best time to do it, so do it while it's apart and easy to work on, and hopefully won't have any leaks. So again, rear hydraulics got done last video. That's looking nice on there in gold. I think I'm about done taking stuff apart once I get the 2 rear ends apart, and then it's all reassembly. So that'll be nice to get this thing rolling on its wheels again and start it up and take it for a drive. So like always, subscribe. I'll be making more videos as I progress here. Every day or a couple days I get a few minutes to work on it and make some noticeable difference, I'll be posting a video.